Good morning everyone. Once again, welcome to our part 2 of Poem First, The Squirrel. I, Shweta Sumra, am your English teacher, and today we will be discussing about the question answer part of the Squirrel poem. Now, in our previous part 1, we discussed about a squirrel. How does it runs here and there in a garden, how jolly, how playful, how lively the creature is, and the way she sits and eats her nuts, the way she likes to play with all, and the way she likes to tease anyone and then run here and there in all directions. Okay, so this was all we read about in the last part, and also one literary device, personification. Okay, because the poetess has used he instead of it for the squirrel. All right, so coming over to our next part, which is the question answer part. First I will brief with a summary of the poem once again, okay, so that you can recall before doing the questions. Summary of the poem. Squirrel is a happy, jolly, fun-loving creature. Now you all know that squirrel is a very happy, fun-loving creature. बहुत ही खुश मिजाज और बहुत ही जॉली नेचर की क्रीचर है. ओके, इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ चाइल्ड. छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना, इट एग्जैक्टली रिजेंबल्स टू देम. ओके, इन इट्स बिहेवियर. इट सिट्स ऑन अ ट्री एंड लव्स eating nuts. Now what does it like to do? It like to sit on a tree and it eats nuts. Nuts are her favorite fruit. Okay, favorite things to eat. It can eat anything, whatever you give it to them, but mostly it prefers eating nuts. Okay, nuts can be almonds or cashews or pistachios or anything, okay, which is a dried fruit. It has a bushy tail. Now what do you mean by bushy? Bushy means having a lot of hair. Okay, bushy, झाड़ी की जैसी. Okay, it's like a bush. It has a bushy tail with a curve at the tip, and at the tip it has a little curve. थोड़ी सी उसकी जो पूंछ है वो एंड में थोड़ी सी curved है, थोड़ी सी मुड़ी हुई है. Okay, the tail looks like a question mark. Now what does it look like? It looks like a question mark. You all know this is a question mark. Okay, so the tail of the squirrel resembles this question mark. This is what the poetess has observed. Okay, its loose skin looks like a grey overcoat. Now the poetess says that the skin of a squirrel, it looks like a grey colored overcoat. Okay, grey furry overcoat the squirrel is wearing. Okay, squirrel ने grey color का overcoat, एक बहुत ही लंबा और मोटा कोट पहना हुआ है. All right, it likes to play. And what else does it like to do? Obviously it's like to play. ठीक है, सारे दिन उछल कूद मौज मस्ती है ना. Squirrels are always active throughout the day. You must have seen. When a person runs after it, it goes in opposite direction. And now what does it do? When a person runs behind the squirrel or a child runs behind it, what does the squirrel do? वो हमारे पकड़ में आती है क्या? नहीं, बिल्कुल पकड़ में नहीं आती, इधर उधर भाग जाती है. Okay, and then it stops and waits for us to come again. Okay, फिर वापस हम भागते हैं, फिर वो भाग जाती है, फिर रुक जाती है. Okay, so it's a way of teasing. Okay, वो हमें छेड़ती भी है और हमारे साथ खेलती भी है. All right, so this is what we discussed about the squirrel. Hope you all enjoyed and understood it very well. All right बेटा, अगर अभी किसी ने नहीं देखा है squirrel आज तक, तो आप लोग गार्डन में ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. ओके, डू ऑब्जर्व इट एंड यू विल फाइंड ऑल द थिंग्स आर करेक्ट. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डज द पोएट से द स्क्विरल वोर अ क्वेश्चन मार्क फॉर tail. Now why does the poetess says that the squirrel is wearing a question mark? पहना हुआ क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Draw a squirrel, एक squirrel बनानी है आपको, और find a picture या फिर एक picture ढूंढनी है of a squirrel sitting on the ground. You just find out a picture or you can draw it as well. Once you go to the garden, observe it properly and then draw a picture of the squirrel. How does it sit on the ground? Okay. How would you describe its tail? And observe one more thing, that how is it keeping its tail? उसकी पूंछ वो कैसे रखती है जब वो बैठी हुई होती है या वो दौड़ रही होती है उस टाइम. Okay. So this is your observation part which you have to do. Okay. Now the answer to this question is, just look at this picture and you can see its tail and it resembles a question mark. Isn't it real? Question mark ही लग रहा है ना बेटा? This is why the poetess said that the squirrel is wearing a question mark. Okay? This is an actual picture of a squirrel. Now we move on to the answer. The poet says that the squirrel wore a question mark for a tail because its tail is twisted, appearing like a question mark. Twisted, ऐसे मुड़ी हुई है, ठीक है? And it resembles a question mark. ठीक है बेटा? अच्छे से आपको समझ में आया? अब क्वेश्चन मार्क क्यों बार बार बोल रही है? इट्स वेयरिंग अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, राइट? इसलिए बोला है, ऑल राइट, बिकॉज इट रिजेंबल्स अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, डू वी यूजुअली से दैट एन एनिमल वेयर्स अ टेल? कभी ऐसा कहते हैं कि इंसान ने कुछ पहनी हुई है अपनी पूंछ? नो, वी हैवंट हर्ड इट. What do we say then? तो हम उसकी जगह क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Think. आप सोचें. Does an animal wear a coat? क्या कोई भी जानवर कोट पहनता है? Consult a dictionary if you like and find out how wear is used in different ways. Now what you have to do is just take a dictionary and find out what do we mean by the word wore here, okay, and in how many ways you can use this word. Moving on to the answer. We usually say that an animal has a set of given characteristics rather than saying where. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? The animal has a tail, the animal has a bushy tail, or the animal has long teeth, an animal has long hair. Okay, we use has instead of where. All right, so this is what we will use, has we will use, but in this poem it's used wears. ठीक है? The poet, however, uses the word wear to indicate the external characteristics of the squirrel. Now the word wear is written here or used here instead of the word has. This is only because the poet want to describe the external characteristic of the squirrel. उसका बाहर का जो लुक है उसको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए वो यूज़ कर रही है कि उसने कोट पहना है, उसने ऐसा बुशी टेल पहना है. ओके, बाहर की जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है उसको डिफाइन करने के लिए. एवरीवन इज गेटिंग प्रॉपर्ली? ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. He liked to tease and play. Who is teasing whom? Now both are teasing each other. Friend and the poetess. Poetess और उसकी friends किसको tease कर रहे हैं? Squirrel को, and the squirrel is teasing them back. They are running behind the squirrel and the squirrel is running for a moment, then stops, then again runs and waits for them to come. Okay? वो भाग रहे हैं, रुक रहे हैं, भाग रहे हैं, रुक रहे हैं और इधर उधर पेड़ के घूम रहे हैं पर पकड़ में नहीं आ रहे. तो both of them are teasing. The poet liked to tease and play with the squirrel पोएट और उसकी फ्रेंड्स को स्क्विरल के साथ खेलना और टीज करना और टीज होना भी अच्छा लग रहा था. Whenever the poet went a little close to the squirrel, और जैसे ही पोएटेस उसके पास में जा रही थी, क्या हो रहा था बेटा? स्क्विरल भाग के पेड़ के दूसरी तरफ पहुंच रही थी. ओके, द स्क्विरल वुड रन अवे इन द अदर डायरेक्शन. स्क्विरल क्या कर रही थी? फटाफट से दूसरी डायरेक्शन में पहुंच रही थी. ऑलराइट, सो वी आर डन विद द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. होप you all enjoyed the poem. It was very easy, plus you all understood the question answers part also very well. Okay, now I want you all to just go to a park and just observe a squirrel. Okay, and just read the poem again. You will come to know the poem is exactly the same which you observe. Okay, so we will end up here and do the next chapter in our next class. Okay students, until then, take care, keep studying, bye bye.